In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a GIF into your Behance project, including some handy tips to optimize playback and quality. So, whether you're new to Behance or just looking to add some dynamic flair to your projects, stay tuned for a complete walkthrough that makes the process simple and effective. First things first, it's crucial to prepare your GIF for the web. Pay close attention to the file size. We recommend keeping it under 5 megabytes. This ensures that it loads quickly for anyone viewing your project, which is particularly important given the fast-paced nature of online browsing. Equally important are the dimensions of your GIF. Aim for a width between 800 and 1400 pixels. This size range complements Behance's layout beautifully, ensuring your GIF looks sharp and appealing across various devices. Now that your GIF is ready, let's move on to uploading it to your project. It's important to remember that Behance supports animated GIFs for your project content, but not for the covers. If you're starting a new project, go ahead and click on Create a Project. Otherwise, if you're adding to a pre-existing one, hit the Edit button. Within the project editor, look for the Upload button. Click it and select the GIF file from your computer that you've prepared for this occasion. One critical note: while you can upload GIFs on the web, the Work in Progress strip might only support static images. To bypass this, ensure you're using the full project editor to upload your animated GIFs. This will prevent any unwanted static uploads and ensure your dynamic content is displayed properly. Once your GIF is uploaded, it's time to decide where you want it to appear in your layout. Simply drag the GIF to your chosen spot. Take a moment to preview your project. It's important to make sure the GIF plays and loops just as you intended. This is your opportunity to make any final adjustments, so pay close attention to the playback. Finally, once you're completely satisfied with how everything looks and functions, it's time to make your project live. Just hit the Publish button, and your project, complete with your newly added GIF, will be visible to others. Remember, the key to a good Behance project is not only high-quality static images, but also the effective use of multimedia content like GIFs to engage your audience. By following these steps, you'll enhance the impact of your digital portfolio, capturing the attention of viewers with seamless animations. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in showcasing your creative projects.